Title: The new AI indicator running crypto. 3 signals that call Bitcoin early. A quiet revolution just hit the crypto market. Not another oscillator, not a meme coin pump. An AI indicator that reads the market's heartbeat across thousands of data points and calls Bitcoin before humans react. If you're tired of chasing candles and you want a real edge, subscribe right now. This is the cleanest way I've seen to spot the next move without guessing. I call it the Triad AI indicator. 3 streams of truth that machines understand better than people. 1. Liquidity Pulse, where money actually moves. It blends order book imbalance, ETF, stablecoin net inflows, exchange reserves, and large on-chain transfers. When liquidity arrives and offers get lifted faster than they refill, price doesn't just drift, it jumps. 2. Sentiment heat, what the crowd really feels. AI turns headlines, tweets, and forum posts into numeric embeddings, then compares them to funding skew, long, short ratios, and basis spreads. If the words say, fear, but traders pay positive funding to stay long, that's a trap waiting to spring. 3. Regime map, the market's current personality. It classifies the environment, trend, mean revert, squeeze, using realized versus implied volatility, open interest changes, and volatility term structure. You don't trade a breakout with a mean reversion playbook. The regime map stops that mistake. Together, these 3 signals create one simple output: green, yellow, or red. Green means liquidity plus sentiment plus regime align for upside. Red means alignment for downside or liquidation risk. Yellow. Stand by, don't force a trade. Here's how to use it. No magic, just rules. Entry: long. Liquidity pulse greater than threshold. Sentiment heat rising from negative to neutral. Regime map equals trend up. Scale in 3 tranches across 24 hours. Never all in on one candle. Exit: trim. Price plus 7 to 12% over 48 to 72h or sentiment heat flips euphoric while liquidity pulse fades. Invalidation: close below prior day's value area plus regime flips to mean revert down. Risk: 0.5 to 1.5 R per idea, max 3 concurrent positions. Protect capital first. Real talk: any indicator can look smart on a screenshot. What matters is stability. Does it avoid the worst trades? Triad AI's job isn't to win every time. It's to skip the garbage, thin liquidity, euphoric tops, and funding blow-offs. Here are the tells it nails. ETF, stablecoin inflows spike, but exchange reserves don't. That's new money, not internal rotation. Funding turns positive while sentiment heat stays fearful. That's a high-odds short squeeze. Open interest climbs with falling implied volume. Coiled spring. Expect expansion. Positive headlines but liquidity pulse flat. Narrative without flow. Fade the noise. Use it for Bitcoin, then mirror the signal to majors with beta adjustment. ETH, SOL. For alts, wait an extra confirmation. Green across BTC and sector liquidity, or you'll chase shadows. If you want long-term positioning, treat green as accumulation windows and red as risk reduction. If you're tactical, green is momentum entry, yellow is patience, red is defense. Mid-video reminder: if this is the kind of edge you want weekly, subscribe now and turn on notifications. I post real signals, not hindsight. Before we wrap, Here's a day 1 checklist you can screenshot. Liquidity pulse greater than 70th percentile and rising. Sentiment heat crossing from negative right pointing arrow neutral with funding flattening. Regime map equals trend up, not mean revert. Corroborate on higher time frame, 4HD. Plan exits before entries. Size small, scale smart. No indicator replaces discipline. Triad AI gives you clarity, you bring patience. If you want the one-page PDF with thresholds, sources, and a sample watchlist, comment Triad below. And if you want to see me run this live on the next CPI, Fed Week, subscribe. The stream drops soon. The future of crypto isn't random anymore. It's structured by data, by flows, by AI. Learn to read the structure, and you won't need luck. End of script.